Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SMARTROOTS Learning. Today's story is called The Class Project. Listen carefully and enjoy. Mrs. Green, the teacher, told the class, "Our project this week is to make a big poster about animals." The children were excited but didn't know how to start. Emma said, "I can draw pictures of lions and elephants." Jack added, "I'll write short facts about them." Sophie said, "I'll color the poster to make it bright." At first, some children argued about who should do what. But Mrs. Green reminded them, a project works best when everyone helps together. So they shared the work. By the end of the week, the poster was full of colorful drawings, neat facts, and beautiful colors. When they showed it to the whole school, everyone clapped. The children smiled proudly. They had learned that teamwork made their project a success. Thank you for listening to the class project. We hope you enjoyed the story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for this story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.